Hi everyone, I'm Aishwarya Mareddy. I'm from Hyderabad, India. I'm a chartered accountant, which is similar to the CPA. After coming to the States, I did my MBA here, and then my major is business analytics. After my graduation, I'm working with AWS now. Very happy to be here and to share all our amazing experiences we had throughout the BMC.
Hi, I am Mihit, and I am as well an MBA graduate specialized in business analytics. And I am also from Hyderabad, but we got to know each other right before coming for our MBA at Purdue. And I graduated last month, that is in May 2021. Yeah, and BMC was an experience that I'll never forget.
Even before getting into the competition prize money, I think BMC itself has been so knowledgeable to us. The kind of knowledge it shares to you and the validations you get of your business from the competition is I don't think we'll get such kind of an experience anywhere else. Now moving on to the prize money, of course we were students when we got into the competition, so it was very incentivizing to know that we would win X amount. And now we plan to start our business with that money. Especially we want to pay our interviewers that money to get them on board, and even planning for some socializing and media activities and giving them goodies, etc. And other thing I want to definitely mention is we get other perks, like by winning this competition we get free legal services, especially for international students like us, where there's so many visa complications. It was a very helpful perk we received. We had a couple of calls with the lawyers just to understand if we could incorporate the company when we were being a student and an international student especially. So there are many things you learn on BMC, and we're just so thankful for everything that's happened.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, lawyers, especially in the US, are very expensive, and getting that offer out here was excellent because we could use their services. We could have that back and forth emails and email conversations with them and build strategies for ourselves so that we don't lose our visa status as well. So, coming to the next steps, we are basically planning to register the company so that we can have a bank account, because a bank account is required for the flow of money from the interviewee, that is the job seeker, to the interviewer. And post that, we have the minimum viable product right now, but we have a list of features that we are planning to implement, and so we'll be prioritizing them so that we kind of take the most important features out at the beginning and implement them. So we will be using a development team's expertise so that we can add more features into the product as and when we require. It's not all about the competition. Of course, competition gives you that motivation because you're going to earn money out of it. But then the most important part of BMC is the workshop. So before coming here, I had that entrepreneurial mindset, but I was working in that push strategy where I have an idea and I try to push it to the customers. But that is not how real world works, right? You need to understand customers first and then see what kind of problems they are facing in their departments, and then come up with an idea to solve that problem. So my approach completely changed because I attended the workshop. I went through the customer discovery process where we both collectively interviewed more than 100 people and could find out what are their pain points in the job search industry, and then build a product right at that moment where, I mean, satisfying those pain points so that they have a better experience trying to find a job. So I think it was overall a very good experience for us, and it was a journey. So it took us almost an year to come to this point, but I think it was worth participating in the competition along with attending all the workshops?
Yeah, definitely. I think the workshops are like the most important part about this entire program. And the best part is they're recorded as well. So people need not be live, but it's important to go through those workshops and understand what is being told. And I think it's phased very correctly, in terms of pushing you as to how many customers did you discover. And you can compare yourself against the other participants in the program, knowing, okay, are you ahead in the game or are you falling behind? And but you still have a couple of weeks to cover up everything, right? So I would definitely recommend going through the workshops. And yeah, just the customer validation and understanding their perspective and getting to know you're hitting the right direction makes you feel like you're closer to your dream every day, one step at a time. So the workshops are really, really important.
I think undoubtedly it's the customer discovery phase, because you get to interact with the customers, work closely with them, understand what problems they are facing in real life scenarios, and then come up with a product that solves their problem. So I think without BMC we couldn't have got into that phase of customer discovery at the beginning of our idea, and which would definitely be our biggest mistake. So I think that is something that is memorable for us.
I think my answer would be pretty much the same about customer discovery phase. I don't want to sound repetitive, but yeah, it really makes you feel like you're getting closer, and that's the most important part, right? Because you have to understand from the customers as to if what you're doing is right for them or not. And it's the most important. Your entire business is based on the fact, like, do your customers like your product, or are you just trying to push a product which you just made for yourself? So that is the crux of it. And the more and more you talk to people, the kind of ideas they impart are amazing. I'm sure Mihit will have a lot more to add to this point, but we had so many amazing ideas come from customers as well when we were discussing this idea. And then we did incorporate a lot of them into our final business model canvas. So it's important to go out and just talk to your customers as much as possible. Nothing like first hand information from them.